Struggling with digestion, low energy, or even mood swings? Discover the 25 powerful foods that can transform your gut health and boost your overall well-being. Stay tuned for some surprising and lesser-known tips that you won't find anywhere else. Gut health plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome, which help digest food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for efficient digestion, strong immunity, and even mental health. Imbalances in the gut microbiome can lead to various health issues, including digestive problems, weakened immunity, and mood disorders. What is the gut microbiome? The gut microbiome consists of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms living in our digestive tract. These microorganisms are critical for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and synthesizing certain vitamins. The balance of these microorganisms can influence our health in numerous ways, affecting everything from our digestion to our immune response and mental health. How the gut microbiome works. The gut microbiome works symbiotically with our body. 1. Digestion. Helps break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. 2. Nutrient absorption. Aids in the absorption of essential nutrients. 3. Immune function. Produces antimicrobial compounds and communicates with the immune system to protect against pathogens. 4. Mental health. Produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, influencing mood and cognitive functions. Impact of gut health on overall well-being. 1. Digestion. A healthy gut microbiome ensures smooth digestion and prevents issues like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. 2. Immunity. A robust gut microbiome strengthens the immune system, helping to fend off infections. 3. Mental health. A balanced gut microbiome can positively impact mood and reduce the risk of anxiety and depression. 4. Weight management. A healthy gut microbiome can aid in maintaining a healthy weight by regulating metabolism and appetite. 25 foods to fix your gut. Western foods for gut health. 1. Yogurt. Benefits. Yogurt is one of the most well-known sources of probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria. These probiotics can help balance the gut microbiome, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. Tips. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures to avoid added sugars that can disrupt gut health. Greek yogurt is also a good option as it contains more protein. 2. Kefir. Benefits. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains a diverse range of probiotics, often more than yogurt. It is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins that support overall health. Tips. Kefir can be made from cow, goat, or sheep milk, and there are also non-dairy versions made from coconut milk or water. Drinking a small glass daily can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Sauerkraut. Benefits. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage that is high in probiotics, fiber, and vitamins C and K. The fermentation process increases the bioavailability of nutrients and promotes gut health by enhancing the growth of beneficial bacteria. Tips. For maximum probiotic benefits, choose unpasteurized sauerkraut, as pasteurization can kill the beneficial bacteria. Adding a small amount to meals can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. 4. Kimchi. Benefits. Kimchi is a spicy, fermented vegetable dish that originated in Korea. It is typically made with cabbage, radishes, and a variety of seasonings. Kimchi is rich in probiotics, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help improve gut health and boost the immune system. Tips. Incorporate kimchi into meals as a side dish or condiment. Its spicy flavor can enhance various dishes, and the probiotics can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 5. Apples. Benefits. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping them to thrive and maintain a healthy balance. Pectin also aids in digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Tips. Eat apples with the skin on to maximize fiber intake. They can be enjoyed fresh, baked, or added to salads and smoothies. Including apples regularly in your diet can support gut health and overall wellness. Asian foods. 6. Miso, fermented soybean paste that contains probiotics. 7. Tempeh, fermented soy product rich in probiotics and protein. 8. Natto, fermented soybeans high in probiotics and vitamin K. 2. 9. Ginger, helps reduce inflammation and supports digestion. 10. Turmeric, contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Vegetarian foods. 11. Lentils, high in fiber which supports gut health. 12. Chia seeds, rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids beneficial for gut health. 13. Quinoa, high in fiber and protein supports a healthy gut. 14. Beets, contain fiber and nitrates that promote a healthy gut. 15. Asparagus, high in prebiotic fiber which feeds good gut bacteria. Vegan foods. 16. Almonds, contain fiber, healthy fats, and prebiotics. 17. Garlic, contains prebiotics and has antibacterial properties. 18. Onions, rich in prebiotics that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. 19. Bananas, contain prebiotic fibers that feed good gut bacteria. 20. Blueberries, high in antioxidants and fiber, beneficial for gut health. Other foods to fix your gut. Health. 21. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues. It is rich in gelatin, which is derived from collagen. Gelatin can help heal the gut lining by restoring the integrity of the gut wall and reducing inflammation. 22. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, particularly catechins, which act as antioxidants. These compounds help promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Green tea can also reduce inflammation in the gut and improve digestion. 23. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is rich in polyphenols, which have prebiotic effects. These polyphenols support the growth of good gut bacteria and help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, dark chocolate can reduce inflammation and improve mood. 24. Olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, which are beneficial for gut health. These compounds support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reduce inflammation. Olive oil can also improve digestion and protect against gut-related diseases. 25. Oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Beta-glucan promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhances immune function, and improves digestion. Oats also help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Thanks for watching. Remember, your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being, and incorporating these 25 foods can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more informative content on health and wellness. And always keep in mind, while these tips are great for educational purposes, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Take care of your gut, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to donate or subscribe to help fund the channel and keep the content coming.